Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable the restricted mode on YouTube. There are two ways of doing this. The first way is going to the top right hand corner of your screen on YouTube and clicking on your YouTube logo. You can now go down to the bottom and you can click on restricted mode and you can then turn it on. And what this will do is, like it says here, it will filter out any inappropriate content. The other way of enabling the restricted mode is clicking on customize channel, and then you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can click on restricted mode and you can also change it here. Just bear in mind, this is only for the browser you are currently on, and it really is as easy as that. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.